Hello, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, thanks. Have you ever pondered why, after a successful run on the ketogenic diet, the scale suddenly starts to creep back up? It's a perplexing puzzle, isn't it? Well, today we're diving deep into the science behind weight regain after keto triumphs. First stop, the metabolic adaptation. The human body is a marvel of adaptability. When you drastically cut carbs, as in a ketogenic diet, your body switches to burning fat for fuel. But here's the catch. Your body, always striving for balance, adjusts to this new state by slowing down your metabolism. It's like your body's own energy conservation mode. The University of Colorado's Anschutz Medical Campus conducted a study that showed participants who followed a ketogenic diet experienced a significant decrease in resting energy expenditure after just a few months. This means they burned fewer calories at rest than before they started the diet. But wait, there's more. The ketogenic diet is high in fat, and while fat is satiating, it's also very calorie dense. In fact, fat has more than twice the calories per gram as protein or carbs, so it's easy to overeat without realizing it. Even a small excess in calories can lead to weight regain over time. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the return to old eating habits. A ketogenic diet is restrictive. It requires careful planning and a strong commitment. The reality is, many people find it difficult to stick to in the long term. When the diet ends, old eating habits often return, and with them, the weight. At this point, you might be asking, is it all doom and gloom then? Not at all. A ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for weight loss, but like any tool, it has to be used correctly. So what are the takeaways from today's discussion? 1. Metabolic adaptation is a real thing. Your body can and will adjust its energy expenditure in response to a ketogenic diet. 2. The high fat content of a ketogenic diet can lead to unintentional overeating. It's crucial to monitor portion sizes. And 3. The return to old eating habits after ending a ketogenic diet is a common culprit of weight regain. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but sustainable changes to your eating habits. Be mindful of your body's responses, keep portions in check, and focus on creating a balanced diet that you can stick to in the long term. A ketogenic diet might be the first step, but it's the steps that follow that truly determine the course of your weight loss journey. That's all for today. Keep challenging the status quo, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time, stay curious.